Okay, so this is probably the easiest and fastest way to level in Black Ops 6 multiplayer. So in this video we want to focus on loadouts and on the score streaks. As well, we want to focus on your game mode. So let's start with loadout. Select your main weapon, your secondary and your melee weapon. And down here we want to use the smoke grenade to farm assists. On lethal we want to use the Semtex, or you can also select the frag grenade. So perk 1 should be the green one, black jacket or tech mask. Perk 2, you want to go with the dispatcher. Perk 3, quartermaster. And as you can see, you have the specialty strategist now equipped. And down here for the wildcard we want to go with tactical expert. So our loadout is finished already. For the score streaks we want to use the UAV, the counter UAV, and if you already have the harp. So if you don't have, just select the Watchdog Halo for example. The best way to farm assists is to select this loadout, this score streaks, and to play kill confirmed. So just go to your lobby and select only kill confirmed and hunt for the marks on the map. I hope this short video was helpful. If you think, please let me know in the comments what your favorite loadout is to farm more XP in Black Ops 6. And here's the next tutorial to get more FPS.